So if you are planning to do either gaming live on YouTube, or you're planning to go live on Twitch as a streamer, you have to select OBS settings. So this is if you're going to stream on YouTube, if you're going to stream on 1280 by 720p with only 30 fps only for low end system, and if you can do this, the range is 1500 to 4000. 2500 works fine in this range. From in 720p at 60 fps, recommended range is 2250 to 6000 fps. 4500 kbps is just fine. Personal experience. 1080p 30 fps, so that is 3000 to 6000 kbps. In this you have to go near 6000 kbps mark, otherwise people will start see blocky artifacts. If you are doing 1080p 60, most do not do 30 fps. In fact, if you are gaming, try to go with 60 fps. It's 4500 to 9000. Again, experiment a bit, but on 1080p it's more noticeable, so go with 9000 kbps. So these are the settings that you have to select. And if you go over to Twitch, so if you have an NVIDIA new graphics card that supports NVENC, here are the settings. Otherwise, for most people, for those who do not have, it's the same thing. If you just see 1280 by 720p 3000 kbps, at 60 fps is 4500, and it's 1080p 30 fps, it's again 4500. It's at 1080p 60 fps is 6000 kbps. Okay, so how to set these, now we will talk about that. So if you are going to stream, you go, as you saw, you come into setting, you go into video. First you make sure that if your laptop is 1080p and you're planning to stream on 1080p, so you select 1920 by 1080p. Otherwise you can select 1280 by 720 from here, and you can select the fps here. Okay, and now coming into output, yeah, it's the simple one. So here you can see the video bitrate is set to 9000 kbps, and as I told you before, if you're going for 1080p 60 fps, set it around 6000 kbps for lowest impact on your system. And if you're going for 720p 60 fps, go with 4500 kbps. Okay, those are the two only settings that you have to for most people, 6000 kbps. Now this was for streamers, people who are going to stream. What will happen is, now if you have to show that your system, that you have to show a benchmark of your system, like I used to do, that you have to show a particular gameplay 10500 as 3050 particular laptops basically test, and you are trying to record it on the same system, the fps will be a bit lower. So what happens is, if you set if you set the recording as high quality medium file size, the gameplay looks better, but it has a much higher impact on your system. So in those cases, I would suggest you just select same as stream. Remember, if you select same as stream, you cannot pause the game while you're playing the game. Okay, and that is the only caveat with it. Otherwise you can try to do, I have not done this before, so bear with me. So if I do standard and further, if I select at 64, okay, you can also do it like this also. Oh, sorry, you can also select it like this. So this will, what this will do, why did you go down to it's, so what this will do, so as you can see, I have selected 4500 kbps, and if you remember, Twitch had these different settings also: quality, very fast, main, high, keyframe interval 2 seconds. You can also select it here also, but honestly, if this looks too complex for you, just go into simple, select the video bitrate as I said you earlier, and just select same as stream, record the whole gameplay, upload it. Once uploaded on YouTube, just crop the first and the last part that has extra settings. Okay, no need to waste time on this. Now if you want if you are uploading for YouTube and you like to see better quality, high quality video, and you don't care how much impact it puts on your system, you can go with high quality medium file size. I am going to link 3 videos down. So the first video is as you can see, let me show you. This is the CMS stream, 6000 kbps, 1920 by 1080p. It is Valorant streaming, so you can see for yourself how exactly the stream looks. Honestly, 6000 kbps is fine. It is absolutely fine unless you are showing some skins off or something. I do not know. It is usually fine. The other video that I will link, it is the high quality medium file size selection. Okay, and you can judge for yourself if honestly if it's any different or not. Actually, I think you can see for yourself that it's not that different. However, I will link those videos, and my archive channel, the India YouTube channel, all the gaming except this video, all these videos have been done on 6000 or 4500 kbps. The older ones have been done so from 2 months ago. Yeah, from here all these videos are 4500 kbps, 720p 30. So I will link these so that you can judge for it. I will also link these things, and if you are uploading on YouTube and you are thinking what's the maximum that I should upload, that what people will see, remember, for SDR upload we will not have HDR. So it's for high bitrate, for 720p 30 it's 5 Mbps, 720p 60 is 7.5, 1080p 30 it's 8 Mbps, 1080p 60 is 12 Mbps. Other resolutions are here. Okay, thank you.